Sure you will appreciate na lumipat kayo dito sa harap. Diba sir, pwede ko naman.
I like the coffee. Grabe. Brewed so... Iba rin yung love language yung dalawa.
Developing our personal one
James Gregorio,
of professional image. Our facilitator this afternoon, no other than Miss Tony Mira.
Everyone, let's all stand up and dance with me. The better me. Yeah, excited? Life is short. Okay, five. Oh, get ready na, five. Or if I can do my job is what I want you to experience. Those who are joining us here, alright? Okay ba, yeah? If you're seated to lady, so sa ngayon, we just wanted to listen and listen. Maybe we miss out the most important. We do it for ourselves because we are good students. Para define kung sino partner. Sila Usi na lang, okay na. Why I should change to your color? Go! So those who are joining us, okay, let's all sit down now.
Kasi kami, so pag hindi niya nagustuhan yung
Pakinig muna kayo sa akin. Sabi ng bata, you are choosing clothes. Alright? And these are the good ones. Okay, so what else about feet are in fit? It's too long. Dalawa lang naman ang pants kapag maraming fold. Average dapat isang fold na. Gawa sila ng sakta. Fold, medyo masikip. So those who are joining us online, can you just really make time for yourself? Okay, one head. Can you do this? The other hand, you can measure it. Yung collarbone nandiyan lang yan. Three of them, matangkad talaga sila. So maybe hair, maybe it's your back. Are you seeing those, the challenges? There. So you think that. So if they have color, they're nag-wave na, and then when you say in a caring tone, makeup, I'm offering my... Okay. Now, if nahiya ka, may nakita. Okay, go lang. One more. Okay, have a seat na.
okay po is
Yung love yourself and then
character.
Of that they may see your good deeds and glorify your Father in heaven. Why?
Multitasking tayo. Opportunity ng pa-attend.
It really